Hi everybody! I'm not here with you at school, but I'm with you on video. It is Monday, January 24th, and I'm ready to do some math with you. You need a paper and a pencil to start our first activity, okay? If you need to, pause video to get those items. All right, this is what you're going to do with your piece of paper. You're going to take your paper, and you're going to split it into, look at my pencil, I'm going down across the middle, and then down across the side, split it into 4 parts because we're going to do 4 problems. We're going to practice some adding, some subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Okay, we did this last week. We're going to do it again today. So your addition problem that you're going to try for 1 minute is this. 386 plus 95. Go for it. Try it out right now yourself. You have 1 minute to try this out. Go. Hopefully you're writing it down on a piece of paper. It's been 17 seconds so far. Keep trying. Keep trying. Get after it. 30 more seconds to try it out. If you already finished, recheck your work. Look at it again. Are you sure? Good work, everybody. All right, it has been 1 minute, so I am going to start. Instead of writing it horizontally side to side like this, hopefully you wrote it vertically, and the 95 would go directly under the 8 and the 6 because the place we put it does matter. 95 does not have any hundreds, so we wouldn't put a number under the 3 because that's the hundreds. All right, so we start and we have 6 and 5 more. Well, I know 5 and 5 is 10. So 6 and 5 is 11. So there I put 11. But, right, we need to take that 1 in the front that's a 10 and bring it up to the 10 spot. Whoosh. Okay, so there's my 11 right there, a 1 and a 1. And now I add these 3 numbers together. Well, I'm going to add 9 and 1 together because that'll make 10. And then 10 and 8 is 18. But maybe you were like, no, I didn't do that. I did 8 and 1, and that's 9. And 9 and 9 is 18. Yeah, either way, it's 18. So I put my 18. No. I still have another digit, right? So I need to take that 1 that's in the hundreds and put it in the hundreds up there. So I already have 3 hundreds, and 1 more 100 will put me at 4. So there it is, 481. Cha-ching! Now, if you didn't get that right, that's okay. You learn from your mistakes and you redo the problem. Okay? So maybe you need a different sheet of paper to redo the problem. All right. Done with addition. Now we're on to subtraction. Okay, here is the subtraction problem for you. 386. Oh, wait, this is looking familiar. Minus 95. Oh, ho, ho. It's actually the same numbers, but now we're subtracting. So this one, we got a number that was more than 386. Here, we're subtracting 95, so we should get something that's smaller than 386. Okay, go for it. You have 1 minute. Go. Come on, people. You can do this. Keep it going, keep it going. Good job. Keep trying. Work it out. I'm waiting. Good job, everybody. All right, here we go. I am going to set it up vertically up and down. So I have 386 minus 95. Again, making sure I'm trying to stay nice and neat so that I can actually tell what I'm doing. And there's no hundreds in 95, so it shouldn't have anything there. All right, I start with 6. I have 6, and I need to take away 5. If I have 6, there's 6. Are there 5 to take away? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many am I left with? 1. Yeah, that one works. Okay, but now if I go over here and I go 8, so now I have 8, but I need to take away 9. I have 8. There's my 8. Are there 9 to take away? Close, but no. So where do I have to go? I go over to here to the hundreds, and I'm going to use one of them so that 3 becomes a 2, and I pull that 100 over to the tens, and there are 10 tens in 100, so I place that 1 in front of the 8, which becomes that 10, so I have 10 and 8, which is 18 minus 9. 18, I could count back 9, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Or I could say what number plus 9 gives me 18? It's 9. All right, but it's not done yet because we still have that 2 minus nothing, which is 2. So there we have it, 291. Cha-ching! Okay, we're going to multiplying. Okay, we're going to multiplying now. I'm going to give you a 1-digit 4 times 8. Okay, this is a good one to just know off the top of your head. I'm going to start out with you and give you a little hint here. 4, a factor of 4 is super awesome. Because if I have 4 groups of 8, look at, I have 1 group of 8, 2 groups of 8, 3 groups of 8, 4 groups of 8. I see a double and another double. Remember, 4 groups, each one is 8. So I can say 8 and 8 and 8 and 8. So 8 and 8, 16. And another 8 and 8 is 16. So I have to put those together. I get to line them up vertically and add them up together. And I got myself, go for it. Okay, I am starting in 3, 2, 1. 6 and 6 is 12. And then I have 3 ones, which is 32. Raise the roof. Oh yeah, I got that. If you didn't, again, work along with me. Write it on your paper nice and neat. And at one point, there's going to be a bell going off in your brain that's like, oh my gosh, I got it. Okay? Sometimes it takes a lot of practice. Okay, our last one, division. Okay? We're going to divide. So let's go ahead and start with the number 32. Oh, wait a second. 32 looks sort of familiar. Divided by, let's divide it by 4. Okay, equals something. Okay, so when we're thinking 32 divided by 4. Remember, division, you can think multiplication. So I'm like, what number times 4 gives me 32? What number times 4 gives me 32? Wait a second. Did we already have a problem like that? Some number times 4 that gave us 32? I think so. Right over here. What was it? It was 8. Oh my. So if we picture this, we could have 32, let's say, pieces of candy that we're splitting up and dividing up amongst 4 people. So here's 4 people. Here's person number 1, person number 2, person number 3, person number 4. How many pieces of candy is each person going to get? Well, not everybody's going to get 32. Each person's going to get an equal amount. They're each going to get 8. If we divide them out correctly in a fair way. Okay, guess what? You did it. You did add Samudi. You did addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Awesome. So now you're going to play a little game. And the game is called Add Samudi. It says it right here. Add Samudi. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. You can use any of those operations, okay, in this game. And right now I have the game on, it says easy mode, okay? Meaning you can use 2 of the numbers on the outside or 3 of them to get the middle number. Okay, so for example, in this one, I have to think, how am I going to get 6 by using any of these numbers on the outside? Oh, I think I have it. I could take 4, and if I scroll down, I would add that to 2, and that's 6. And guess what? I just got it! Woohoo! Add Samudi! If I reset this and do it again, because I know another way, I could do 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. Yeah, add Samudi! I figured it out, right? I could reset and see if I can find it again, or I can say, you know what? I solved that one, so I'm going to get a new card, and I try it again, okay? If I'm working on this one, I'm working on it, and I'm like, I cannot figure this out, then I can get a hint, and it'll give me a hint and say, start with the 6. Okay, so supposedly I can get a 1 by starting with 6. Man, if I start with 6, that means I must have to, like, I need to get it smaller, so I'd either have to subtract or divide. Oh, 6 minus 5 is 1. Yeah! I can reset and try it another way, okay? Or I can press get hint, and I can get another hint, and it'll give me another hint. And then I can say see the solution, and it'll tell me, okay? But there's more than one solution to most of them. So on your Google Doc that I sent you for today, there is the link for the Add Samudi game, so you can go there and play it for a little while, okay? And then once you're done playing Add Samudi for like 10 minutes, I would play for like 5 to 10 minutes, have some fun with it, then come back and you'll watch my second video and work along with me for our final activities, okay? All right, good luck.